Welcome back, guys, to another vlog. I know I take a break from YouTube for like 9 months, but it's a lot of moving parts. I have a lot of things doing. I had to take a break from YouTube, and not only YouTube, but cars and parts. You can be addictive to it. It's like drugs. You have to know when to to cool it down, to stop, and just build your life and focus on what is more important, right? So I take a little break from YouTube, also working on the car. Right now the car is covered in dust. You can't even recognize that it's red, it's actually white because of so many dust. um, the reason being behind everything, I have to focus on personal things in my life that I'm dealing with. I'm also working on the truck. uh, I'm working on myself also. So coming few years, you're gonna see a lot of changes. Um, I'm doing construction. It's a whole lot of things around me right now, and I have my family just the same. They're more important, and I'm trying to fit this as best as possible. I have a lot of videos that has been recorded, but I have to release this video because Eric from Action Clutch been asking me. I got this package from last year December before Christmas. Action Clutch reached out to me and say, they watch my YouTube videos and it looked like my car gonna push out a lot of power, so they sponsor me a clutch. I'm so grateful for them. So I'm gonna do the unboxing process because I received an email from them asking what's the, what's the progress with it. Because it's a lack of time, I did not get to do the unboxing, but I'm gonna try to do it today, and try to release the video probably in the next couple of days. But let's go. I kind of already unboxed this from December and look inside, but this is a twin disc clutch from Action. Right, you get a per open this as yet, as you can see. So it's actually only thing I open this and look on the pressure plate disc, or the pressure plate rather. I did not look in the other things, and I use the keychain for work because there's a keychain that comes with this package. So this is the choke bearing. Many of you guys probably want to use the original under choke bearing, but I can tell you that the bearing that comes with the twin disc is actually different from the regular choke bearings. So I think it would work best with the throat bearing that comes with the twin disc action clutch. You know, you can see it's look different. So I think this is highly recommended that you use their throat bearing. I'm gonna put on a pair of gloves because you know we're gonna actually look into the clutch, and you know those are friction parts, and you know the body produce oil, so you know you need to have those parts as clean as possible, because you don't want, when you assemble the engine, you have to pull it back and clean. Although when we're assembling the engine, I'm gonna brake clean all of these parts just the same, so we don't have any slippage. So in the box it comes with the tips and how to install the clutch. They also send the braking process, also how to torque the clutch to the car. You get a sticker. This is an action sticker. I guess this is the white one. So you know I'm gonna find somewhere on the car to put this, somewhere unique. So thanks again, Eric from Action Clutch, for hooking me up with this clutch. We're gonna put it to good use. I'm not sure as when we're gonna install this on the car because I'm so busy, but I have a competition stage 3 clutch, 4 pluck, no spring clutch in the car. I'm figuring more or less that I'm gonna try to run that clutch first and see how far we can actually go with that clutch. After I died in the car, I raced with that clutch. If it slipped, I just change it out. But for now, I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. This look like it's the clutch alignment tool. This is the clutch alignment tool. So I don't have to borrow none from Jeffrey again. I'm gonna put this up somewhere so it's easy to find. This is a clutch alignment tool. And for those of you guys who do not know what's a twin disc clutch, let me just explain what it is. So if you look, right, twin disc clutch, so if you guys look, you can see that this is the flywheel, and they already pre-install the pilot bushing right here, which is a good thing. A twin disc clutch, it's 2 clutch, right? You have one to the flywheel, you have a separator, then you have another clutch, then you have a separator again, then you have the pressure plate hub. Some people do not call it the pressure plate hub. Some people call it the hatch. But yeah, let me pull this pressure plate off to show you guys the clutch and the separators and how it should be assembled. It's not rocket science. It's actually easy to be installed. You know, all these washers are matching to the bolt, so when you pull them off, kindly do not get them lost. And the Action also give me a coupon code for you guys. You can get 50% off your order. Just go to Action Clutch website, type, when you go to checkout, look for promotion and coupons. You can put Puffydon 15% off coupon code. I will leave a link in the description. Right, and that, you know, that help our channel to grow. So please go over there and support these guys. They're doing good. I see Boosted Boys run these clutch. My brother is the first one, because I was always a competition guy. I like competition clutch, so I always buy competition for my car. But you know, Eric from Action actually reached out to me, you know, and this is it.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer.
Alright, so this is the first separator. So this ring right here, or this up looking thing right here, is supposed to go like this to the flywheel. And also this is the second disc. So this will also be facing to the pressure plate. It's actually marked. And also it is marked, this is to the flywheel side. So you cannot get this mixed up. Then you have the flywheel. So I'm gonna clean these off, guys, because I'm actually seeing some little dents and some little debris. So I'm gonna clean this off, guys. But this is it. It's actually light. So for those of you guys who do not know what's a clutch and your power band, the clutch is to take the power from the engine, transfer it to the transmission and then to the ground. It's actually to engage and disengage. So Action reached out to me and said it looked like my car is gonna go over 500 horsepower. So you know, they hooked me up with this clutch. I'm gonna tune the car pretty soon, guys. I know I've been making promises to you guys. The last time we go to road tune the car, something happened with the return hose from the turbo to the oil pan. But we sorted out that issue, and from then I haven't get the chance to go back on the road with the car. But we're gonna try to see how best I can fit it in. As I tell you guys, you know, even to do this video, it's very hard for me to do this video because of the time and things I have surrounded in my life that has to be sorted out. I mean, it's a lot, and I'm definitely gonna try to fit in the YouTube with my life in the coming month. But yeah, thank you guys at Action for hooking me up with this clutch. I'm gonna put it to good use when the time comes. You know, it would be good to drop this in the car right now, but you know, I have so many things to do and I have to go pull back down the transmission to actually get this installed. When I'm going to do that, I think I should just change the rear seal of the engine. I have to go and get the original one from Honda. You know, so that will take a little time because I don't want to go to Superior to buy this seal because sometimes they're selling things in the genuine box. I rather to order it from the Honda website. So that will have to take a little time to get in the country. So yeah, definitely you know, I can't wait to put this clutch to use. You know, you know, this material, from you look at it, you can see it's been made properly. You know, so yeah, and that's about it. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety filling up every